Alright, so as promised in this video, I'm going to break down how to buy stocks with Admiral Markets. So once you sign up, download the app onto your phone, and I'll be using crypto to deposit. So you're going to open up the app, tap on more, payments, deposit, and in this case I'm depositing to my wallet. So I'm going to select wallet, crypto, choose the specific coin, and you should get an address to copy paste into your crypto app. In this case I'm using Binance. So heading over to Binance, I'm going to select funding and withdraw, and I'm just going to choose the coin that I'd like to withdraw, hit send via crypto network, and ensure that you select the right network. So for this withdrawal, I'll be using TRC20. You're just gonna paste the address, enter the amount, and your withdrawal should process in a couple of minutes. You can see in Binance there's the withdrawal. You should also get an email from Admiral Markets saying that your deposit has been successful. So you're gonna open up your Admiral Markets app, head over to your wallet, and you should see it there. Now to transfer to your stock account, you're just going to select transfer, select from to, specify the amount, and just hit confirm. So if you look at the top, you can see it's there in the invest account. Now this is just my watch list, and for the sake of this video, let's say I want to buy an ETF. So I'm just going to select ticker symbol VOO. Now that's a Vanguard ETF that tracks the S&P. The minimum amount that you can buy of any share is 0.01, so I'm just going to do that. Type that in, hit buy, confirm, and you successfully bought your first shares. So right now I'm on the web portal for Admiral Markets. I'm just going to hit invest, and I'll just show my portfolio for the sake of documentation. So this is my current watch list, and if you go over to the sidebar and tap the little briefcase, so once you tap on the little briefcase icon, it will show you your portfolio. This is my current portfolio. I do want to add a whole lot more to it, but I'm just getting started out with this platform. Another stock I'm looking at as well is Visa. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out this platform, I'll leave the links below. So that's it for this tutorial. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and any questions you have, you can leave it below and I'll get back to them. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.